As you'll see in this video, some drivers really hate getting honked at. This driver deserved it, however, as they cut off the cam car with no turn signals. The driver goes absolutely psycho after the honk.
No, you're not. I didn't see it. Get back in it. Go get your car. Relax. Calm down.
That road rager says he will whoop some ass. He also punches the cam car.
Have a great day.
The road rage isn't even over, as he will get out of his car a second time. It just shows that some people aren't stable enough to be allowed to drive.
Just get in your car. You're not scaring me, so go somewhere. Get your car.
What an absolute jerk of a road rager.